how to add payment methods in Shopify store. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can add in payment methods in Shopify store. So simply open up your Shopify store, and now from over here click on settings at the bottom left, and then as soon as you click on settings, now from over here simply click on payments. And now from over here, you guys are going to be able to see all three options. So now from over here, you guys can add in your payment providers. You guys can add in payment methods from over here as well. And you can also put in manual payment methods as well. So to add a payment method, click on add payment methods. And now it's going to ask you for the type of payment method that you want to add. You guys can add in Visa payment method, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, JCB, Maestro, GuardPay, PaySafeCard, and so many more options as well. You guys can choose to add in any one of these options, and you will be able to use that on your store as the payment method. You can also add it by a payment provider as well, such as DoCheckout, APS, BitPay, and so many more options. So guys, this is how you can add payment methods on your Shopify app store. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.